Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So today we are cutting out our own Christmas tree and we're gonna bring you guys along with us, so let's go. All the trees are up there and some over there.
Still remember back in the day, first ride in an open sleigh. I was a child, I was the kind who smiled. The night before Christmas Day, weary thoughts to won't go away. What a night, we stayed up all night. Now it seems like no one's gonna wait for it.
And that one right there.
A little.
I mean,
Oh, you like that one, Bubba?
Rick, I see. Baylee, did you get your stand picture beside your tree?
Got our trees.
Yeah, I'll sit right here. I'll let Josh sit right there.
No!
Yeah?
Y'all say hi.
There we go.
What are they doing? Here, come on, let's get your jacket back on. Let's go. Okay. We're ready for a jacket. Got all of our trees loaded. You see Minnie? You see that doggy over there? Say hi, doggy. Hi. Do you like that tree? It's just your height. Do you love it? We already had our big tree and then our smaller little tree over here. So I think that this one will look good right here, I'm hoping. So yeah, we'll see.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Here is what it's looking like so far. It's so cute. I'm so excited. I love it. And I'm gonna put some ornaments on it and probably some ribbon on there too. I'm not positive yet, but I think these are the ornaments that I want to use. I want it to be kind of like a white tree for in here. So I got this little tree skirt at Target. I think it was $10. We're gonna call this one Baylee's tree. And so I got these snowballs at Target also. And then I just had these white ornaments that have like, it looks like snow on there. And then I have these icicle ornaments. And I'm going to use these ribbon for a little bit of a pop of red. And then we'll see how that looks. And I may add other things. I'm not exactly sure.
Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us a figure pudding. Oh, bring
The
us.
tree skirt that I bought ended up being too small for the bottom of the tree. But here is what it looks like so far. I think it's coming along pretty good, but it's still like missing something. So I'm gonna keep working on it and see if I can kind of fix it up. So I think it's pretty much done. I added some like little pops of red and some of the little peppermints we had. And then for the top, I just did some of the little picks and a little snowman. So there's what it looks like for now. I don't know if I'll end up changing it or not. But I kind of like it like this. I think it's really cute. I decorated over here, but you guys will see all that in my Christmas house tour. And done the new coffee bar over here, which you guys will see that too. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.